Hello and welcome guys. Hope we are doing great. So in this video today we will be discussing around the background of any element. Like as of now you see here there is a red background of table. Okay. So you can also add background of this complete body if you want to add any background on only a specific field, only a specific column, you can also do that. Okay. So let's start how you can do that. So as you can see here, you see the background on the table. Okay. Either you can write directly here, but in my case, I am writing using this class. So you have to add a class, and you can name it whatever you want. Let me change this one to tab C1, and you can write your background color code here. Okay. If you want to change this one red to blue, you can also do that. Okay. So now you see I have changed that to blue. If you want to change the background color of this entire web page, you can also do that. So you can see here this entire web page is called body part. So you need to add a class on body. So I have added here. Okay, so let me write the class. So you can see here it is already written here. Okay, so busy is already written here, and I will be adding here the background color. I want to give here Azure. Azure is a color name you can use. So let me add this and refresh. Now you see background is changed. Let me change this to yellow. Save that file and click here refresh again. Now you see your background is changed. If you want to add background image, you can also do that from here itself. Okay. So for that there is a CSS style that is called background image, and then you will have to use URL, and here the path will go. So you can see here my project is under D directory, then HTML. So if you have an image, you have to put inside this directory. Okay. If you want to create any image directory, you can also do that. So let me create img directory, and I want to use this image. Yes. Dot. You can see here the PNG file. Okay. So let me. In my case, img slash as dot png. As dot png. Okay. So this is a string name, so it must be inside. You can also browse from here if you are using uh, Visual Studio Code. Okay. So now refresh and you can see your background is added. Now you see the actual image is coming twice. Like this is the main of my image, and you see here it is coming twice or thrice. Okay, you can see here it multiple time it is appearing. So for that there is also a rule. If you want only one copy to be used in a background, so you can comment this line because yellow will not be used here, only one will be used. Okay, so now you can write here background repeat. Okay, background repeat, repeat, no repeat. If you write this one, that means only single copy of your image will be included. Okay, you see here now you have single copy. You can also restrict x repeat x, and if you know x axis y axis, this means it will be repeated horizontally. Okay, horizontally repetition will work here. If you write repeat y, it will be repeated vertically, but for you it will be required no repeat. You can also write here. Okay, so try this at your end, and if you put the no repeat, only a single copy will be here.